Sarkis, I'm doing you a favor.
What more do you want? Everything is touchscreen, illuminated digitally on the steering wheel, the air conditioning panel, mirrors. That's your view, the passenger view. You could literally have your own menu. Ridiculous car. You could drive in electric mode only, which on the dash right here has hybrid, and then it has electric drive. So right now we are in electric drive. The only thing we're hearing is the air condition because it's hot. And now we're driving the car with no sound. Super quiet and ridiculous. So we're gonna go back to hybrid, and right now it's still an electric because it doesn't want to use the gas engine because it's hybrid. Let's put it in gas engine mode, which turns it on obviously. So now we're in performance. I'm still trying to learn the dashboard. It's ridiculously involving. It has a lot going on. You have your touchscreen buttons here to control a bunch of stuff on the right side, and it's all, like I said, touch. Now it's your full map literally on your dashboard in a Ferrari. I literally have racing seats with carbon fiber, and it has cooling seats. This button right here controls traction. We got wet, sport, race, CT off, and then ESC off. So right now we're in CT off mode, which this basically limits the traction, not fully off, but somewhat makes it more aggressive. Everything else is like literally on the steering wheel. You could control the whole thing from the steering wheel. You never have to take your hands off of it, except for maybe the reverse button. But everything else is here, which is insane. Behind them, you have secret buttons for the volume, for the radio, and you could change stations. You don't have enough room in this car, literally. Let's try that again without cars around this. Okay. I lied again. Literally, it's like a rocket ship. You cannot even do anything with this car because this car is pulling it out in front of you because it's like warp speed. Either way, check this out. This is matte carbon fiber and this gloss, simply because the sun reflects off this, hits you in the eye, and it can blind you when you're driving. So this is matte. Pretty cool to see that. So this car, we had it here, we did a full clear bra, we videoed it for you guys. You guys saw how sick it was, and now it's got a exhaust system and a tune. First in the world, pretty much has a straight pipe. We got rid of cats for off-road use only. The tune got about 90 horsepower. Our friends over at Denali helped us out and got the first system on there in the world. Nobody else has this. You can't buy an exhaust system for it, you can't do anything for it. It's the first one. It sounds insane. It is frighteningly fast and smooth at the same time. So that smooth acceleration is just ridiculous in a car. And this is the future of supercars, honestly. Customer's gonna come grab it. Next week we're gonna be doing wheels. We're gonna lower it. We're gonna make it look even more badass. I know somebody that put wheels on an SF90, but they were actually taken off an F8 and put on an SF90, which is not the proper setup. So we have proper wheels being made for it. Remember, this car is all-wheel drive. I'm seeing people do a staggered setup. It's not right for this car. 2021, 21, 22. We're keeping the diameters the same. We're doing 21 front and back. I don't know what qualifying mode does, but this is the fastest. That shit was fast. I've been in a lot of fast cars. Okay, I had enough.
Hey, that's 20K?
Nobody called you? We should have put your number.
Oh, we gotta know.
No. 20K, I'll buy it. There's a phone number.
You're kidding me.
I swear. No, it's not. It's a FedEx label.
Somebody left a note on his car?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi.
Yeah, how's it going, man?
Good, good. I'm selling my car, brother. You want to buy it?
Yeah, man, but is there a 1 in the front? Or
Ye-
it's 20K?
No, it's 120. It's 120.
Oh, yeah, it looked like the dollar sign. I was like, no way, this is too good to be true, man.
Yeah, no, it's 120, brother.
Oh, okay. What year is that one?
2021.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's nice, man. But yeah, I was like, nah, this has to be a typo. 'Cause I didn't see the 1 in there. It looked like the dollar sign.
Yeah, I was trying to sell it for 120.
Oh, okay.
The MSRP of the vehicle is like 150.
Yeah. Alright, man. Yeah,
Okay.
nah, I mean, my dad was interested in getting one for my mom, but
Yeah.
yeah, I'll see.
Okay, thank you, brother.
Alright, man. Yeah, no problem. Bye.
I got an offer. 20K. Boss, are you gonna bid this offer?
You're selling your car for $20,000?
Yeah. It's 120.
There's a Mclaren, there's a Ferrari, there's a Mustang, there's a Ferrari.
Very soon you're gonna see this one.
We're doing another one. We're doing a black
It's very loud when you're right by the car, and even if you're across the street, you still feel it on your chest. As soon as Vic revs it, you feel it on your chest.
Alright guys, we are standing in front of this beautiful 2021 Rolls Royce Ghost. Yet another new Ghost under our belt. It's I believe 4 now that we modified with wheels and other things. This thing came straight from the dealership. We had it towed here. It's in this beautiful metallic black configuration, as you can tell. It had a lot of chrome on there on the outside, so we went ahead and blacked it out using wrap. So it's fully reversible. We also did a set of RDB 50s. So this is the one with all those outrageous spokes, super concave, floating OEM center cap in gloss black. It's also lowered. This is in low mode, which is its Photoshop picture mode, basically, we call it. So when you drive up, it goes back up a little bit. This thing looks incredible, drives incredibly well. Interior is beautiful. This is honestly the comfiest daily driving, badass sedan you could have in the world. It's a full black interior. I know you guys are used to the orange and all that. You gotta show that dash. You see it says Ghost right there. That's actually not a shadow or anything. This is all in there. So basically it's like the stars on the roof. His dashboard has stars as well and it says Ghost, so that's an option. But yeah, this is all black inside, black outside. Customer likes it all black, so looks really nice.
They're so lazy that he doesn't want to get out of his chair and come say which wheels are they. That's how lazy he is.
I told him what wheel it is and he put the wrong wheels.
No. Okay, whose fault is it? You guys choose. Vic said, I told him which wheels are we going to put on the Colin. He said there's a box of wheels in the back that say Colin on it. There's 2 boxes of wheels that say Colin on it. So whose fault is it? Is it Vic's fault for not coming out and showing the employee which wheels they are? Because there's 2 sets of Colin wheels.
Are they both 20
or
wheels?
is it the employee's fault?
Everything you're saying is wrong.
You guys decide, Vic or the
No, everything you're saying is wrong. That's not what he said, though.
They never take blame for their actions. I'm working with a bunch of knuckleheads here. I'm telling you.
That is part of our Gone in 60 collection and you cannot have that.
Wow.
If you have the VIP tickets, you're gonna get early access April 16th.
April 16.
Like a racing thing, or I thought it's like a racing thing for my car and yours.
Yeah, not everything is racing.
So where's his deal with the mask on?
How come your arm is working?
This is the
now?
first time.
You hurt his arm by
You know when
pulling
you
on a bumper.
when you do
I think that's a
something
bullshit.
when you do something and you don't do it right, something gonna happen.
Not everybody lies like you.
Anyways, I do something.
The guy really hurt himself.
I do something
Yeah, he pulled something the wrong way.
in the wrong way.
He pulled
so
the
I
muscle.
messed
And he
up my
pulled
muscle.
the muscle.
Hey, homeboys use the glasses like this. Let me.
I don't believe
Yeah,
anything
you
you
know,
say.
You have ice. The main is you have ice in the back.
Yeah.
You know, but this is not yours. So, whatever.